Okay, come on, let's go.
All right, buddy. Want to crawl through the back? We're gonna go for a ride, okay?
Okay.
Bye. Get.
What's that?
Holy cow! Who put that there?
A big guy.
A big guy.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
What guy put that there?
What do you think?
You're kidding me. Oh, put that there.
You're kidding me.
Put that there. Put that there. What the? What the? What the? What the? What the heck is going on here with this car?
You like your car?
Yeah. What the
He
heck?
has a radio.
Oh, open it.
Okay.
Gonna be Coco Taylor's old.
I can't go open.
Pull it open.
I can't. I'll go back my
You gotta sit over here.
Right.
Because you have to drive. Who's going to drive your car?
Okay, Jonathan.
Put your seatbelt on.
No, what's one?
Don't worry about that.
Peter.
Jonathan, here. There's a spot in the back to put him, okay? Alright, because Mommy's afraid at 2.5 miles an hour you're gonna hurt yourself.
5.
No, 2.5. 5 is the high setting, which is off right now.
Kind of daddy are you? That's lame.
The default. Okay. Jonathan.
What?
See that pedal?
Yeah.
Step on it. What you think?
Cool. What's this for?
That's the key.
What?
Go ahead, step on the pedal, get moving.
What the?
You gotta keep on the pedal.
I can't get the thing.
Oh, there you go. Now you can go. Don't forget the steer. Good job. Don't hit the deck. Steer, steer, steer.
Go help him.
Oh no, get out and push.